Hey blockchain visionaries, I'm George Levy. In today's video I'm going to talk to you about a quick answer to one of the most common questions I regularly get, which is, are all cryptocurrencies the same? Before I actually get you to the content, I want to invite you to subscribe to this channel as I bring you brand new videos every single week teaching you about blockchain, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency. And every single link that I'll be talking to you about today will be included in the description below. Let's get going.
Get ready to change the world, one blockchain at a time. With George Levy, your single source of truth for blockchain, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency.
When it comes to digital currencies, it's very, very hard for people to be able to differentiate one from the other. I mean, after all, it's actually just data. You don't really know what is one. So in the physical world, it's actually very easy for me to see, for example, if this were Ether, this is an Ether. One Ether, it's a physical, it's a silver coin in this specific case. And if we were looking at Bitcoin, this would be different. This is a different coin. You can obviously tell that they're different. However, how do you do that in the digital space? And what I'm going to do in this lesson is I'm going to take you behind the scenes so you actually see what's going on, and you can find that there are actually thousands of different cryptocurrencies, and you need to know where to look so you know exactly that they are different. So what I'm going to take you right now is I'm going to take you to Coinmarketcap.com. And Coinmarketcap.com is a website that specializes on tracking the entire cryptocurrency market. As you will see, as of the moment of this specific video that I'm recording, there's over 12,000 cryptocurrencies that are listed in this specific page. Now, you will notice that I've got Bitcoin and I've got Ethereum. Now, you would say, hey, well, yes, they are different. One Bitcoin is worth what it's worth. One Ether is worth what it's worth. Yes, there's different prices for that, but how is it different? So I can go to a block explorer. A block explorer is a tool that enables you to look at the contents of a blockchain. So, for example, there's a block explorer for Bitcoin. What I'm showing to you right now is a block explorer that is following the Bitcoin blockchain. And you will find the latest blocks on the Bitcoin blockchain. All of these are what compose what would be the Bitcoin blockchain. And you can see that on this block explorer. Now, Ethereum has the same thing. You've got a block explorer focusing on Ethereum. This is the Ethereum Blockchain Explorer. This is a block explorer specifically focused on the Ethereum blockchain. Notice that they are different. So what you've got is that you've got a Bitcoin block explorer and you've got an Ethereum block explorer. And just like you can see the latest block on the Bitcoin blockchain, you can see the latest block on the Ethereum blockchain, and they're totally different. So the fascinating thing that I want to get to you is that cryptocurrencies are different. And there are different cryptocurrencies for different purposes. For the case of Bitcoin, Bitcoin is specifically an electronic cash system. It's meant for you to pay and get back. It's actually exchanging value when it comes to, it's almost digital money is what it really is. It's a digital electronic cash. Now, Ethereum, even though you can pay for something in Ether, Ethereum was specifically designed to be a smart contracts platform, which means you can run smart contracts on it. And those smart contracts can create new tokens of their own. For example, an ERC20 token, or for example, an ERC721 token, which is an NFT, like CryptoKitties, which I talk about in other videos as well. I hope you found this video valuable and that you understand the difference between cryptocurrencies. They're not the same. Different cryptocurrencies have different purposes. They have different protocols. And when they're different cryptocurrencies, they might even have their own block explorers. All of this is very important for you to understand. I hope you found this video valuable and that you learned in the process. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to click subscribe and follow me. Every single week I bring you brand new videos, and I look forward to sharing this information with you. We're changing the world, one blockchain at a time.